Thank you, Dr. Sue Hubbard. Well, from motion sickness to teeth, being healthy is always year-round, and sometimes it starts with the mouth. And thankfully, we have Dr. Christy Leedy from Abilene Dental to tell us more about summer fresh, smile, white, all that brightness.
That's right. Yeah, Sarah and I were teasing how appropriate it was to come after the cupcake segment.
Yeah, because literally as that was playing, that story you just saw, I was eating the cupcakes. So
yeah,
I'm guilty of it.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about summer smiles for the whole family. And, you know, a great place to start is, we've talked before about Invisalign, and especially for your teenagers in the summer, once they're off of school, to get started in their Invisalign and get used to them.
As soon as they get off school.
Yeah.
So just because it's summer, you're not off the hook with
That's
some.
exactly right. And so this is the perfect picture to show cutest teenager, right? But it was her smile that was driving her crazy. And so we got her to smile for the picture.
Classes.
It wasn't the school classes, that's right. And she was ready for summer.
Right.
And so this is the product we were talking about, Invisalign Teen. So for your teenagers who used to might not have been a candidate for Invisalign, now with this Invisalign Teen product, it's for teeth that have rotations or need to erupt more and those types of things. It also has the coolest little blue buttons way back in the back. You can't see them in your aligners, but you take them out and they're called compliance indicators. So you know exactly how long to wear them or if you're wearing them. Yeah. And you know, there's a lot of, the thing about Invisalign is it only works if you wear it.
True.
And so, interestingly enough, teenagers that really want Invisalign and don't want bracket braces tend to be some of the most compliant patients we have. So it's funny because you would think that's not the case, but boy, when they don't want to wear braces,
but
look at
the benefit of the Invisalign Teen.
I know, and it makes them look all grown up as just a warning to the parents. And then we have, let's go this way. There we go. Okay, so here's a smile for Dad. And this you can see where the teeth are worn and breaking. They're becoming so thin that you can almost see through them. And so the teeth had worn down so much that when you go to bite, it was hitting this lower lip and also creating
And what future consequences can that lead to the mouth?
Well, it can lead to teeth getting loose. It can lead to fracturing to the point of needing root canals.
Okay.
Can lead to loss of tooth, but it can also lead to lesions on this lower lip that can be precancerous lesions. So something you wouldn't even think of, but long-term trauma between the sun with no sunscreen on your lips and the teeth biting against them can cause that. And then here's Mom. So of course a lot of times Mom's always last. And so, same type of thing. Things that, these are teeth that have moved or fractured or look where those have erupted to. And so at this point, then you end up doing bridges and crowns. So now these 4 teeth down here are missing, but you can't tell.
But the alignment of the teeth is also straight.
Exactly, yeah. And so we did a bridge. This doesn't come in and out, but it sits right against the gum so it looks like it's growing out of the gum.
Love it.
Isn't that cool?
Well, summer, and then of course the final
Rudy and
product
Irma.
in itself. Happy summer, happy teeth, happy family.
That's exactly right.
Shall we say that?
That's exactly
Dr.
right.
Leedy, thank you so much for being here. Really
Thanks,
appreciate it. You can make your appointment at Abilene Dental today. Just call the number on your screen. Head over to the offices of Buffalo Gap Road. You can check them out on Facebook and Twitter. So many things. Just search Abilene Dental. They'll help you out with anything that you need. To BigCountryHomepage.com/KTAB for you after the show to watch this and other interviews.